Since 1980, one company has chosen a singular path in Pakistan's manufacturing landscape, not by following trends, not by diversifying endlessly, but by committing, quietly and completely, to one invisible force that powers industry. Compressed air is everywhere in manufacturing, yet rarely understood. It drives machines, controls processes, and sustains productivity, but is seldom treated as a system deserving serious engineering attention. Rastgar and Company chose to focus where others looked away. It chose depth over breadth, understanding over transactions, service over slogans. Over the decades, Rastgar worked closely with leading German air compressor manufacturers, introducing German engineering into Pakistani factories not merely through sales, but through presence. Brands like Alep, Bogie, and Compare were not just sold. They were established through disciplined marketing, trained service teams, spare parts planning, and long-term customer relationships. German engineering thrives on patience. So did Rastgar. Despite its importance, compressed air really isn't taught as a system in engineering faculties. The result? Well, it's inefficiency, wasted energy, unreliable operations, and honestly, a bunch of hidden costs. For 45 years, Rastgar has worked in this gap, not just supplying equipment, but offering advice, audits, optimization, and life cycle support. And often the most valuable contribution wasn't a machine, but simply a conversation. After decades of representing global excellence, our experience matured into leadership. SKY Air Compressors emerged not as an imitation, but as a distillation of German engineering discipline, local operating realities, and of course, a service philosophy built over time. Energy efficiency, reliability, structured service. These aren't just features, they're commitments. Today, Rastgar's journey extends beyond Pakistan, reaching towards Southeast Asia, the CIS region, East Africa, and the Middle East. But the approach remains unchanged. Focus, patience, integrity. Rastgar and Company, 45 years of industrial air, quietly powering manufacturing then, now, and ahead.